Hello kiddos, welcome to Unit 2. During this unit, we are going to focus on the grammar of adverbs of frequency used to present perfect continuous. We're also going to focus on vocabulary about TV, kinds of shows, and descriptions, adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a description. What is the function of Unit 2? TV talk, requests and responses, asking and telling people not to do things. Let's go ahead and look at the grammar in Unit 1. In Grammar 1, we are going to talk about frequency in text and answers the remaining questions to identify the rules in pairs. Okie dokie. So make sure that you complete this activity to learn how to use the frequency adverbs. Some frequency adverbs are almost always, rarely, normally, often, hardly ever, and usually. Let's continue. These are some more listening activities, and here is the grammar for number 2. We use used to. Remember how to use used to in past. Here is lesson 2. In lesson 2, the grammar is going to be present perfect continuous. In this case, we use the subject plus have or has. Then we use been and the verb in ing. Okie dokie, that is lesson 2 and the grammar. And that will be all for Unit 2. In Lesson 3, we don't have grammar. We have reading, listening, and speaking. Okie dokie guys, I hope to see you soon.